Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're on our way to the river. The first part you guys are going to see here is from a little creek fishing I did a few days ago. It's a spot I fished in the past. I've only fished it, that was probably my third time fishing it. First time I did really good. Caught a new species there. Also caught quite a few smallmouth there, so I'm hoping to get some of those. But yeah, so that'll be the first part you guys see. And then the next part we'll see is where I'm heading to right now. Gonna fish a river spot. I'm expecting it to be low, but I'm hoping there's some deep holes that we can find some fish in. Don't have a whole lot of time to fish here because I struck out in the first place, but yeah, stay tuned guys, let's see what happens. All right, let's see if we can't get something. Water's already getting dark from the leaves. It's crazy how they ruin this place just by putting a new bridge in. Ruined it. So shallow now. Used to be pretty deep right here. You catch all kinds of fish. I've caught just about everything the creek has to offer out of this spot. And now it's not even worth fishing, really. Oh, there's one. Oh, got it. Oh boy, there we go. That's what we wanted. I thought he missed it. Yeah, I didn't miss it. First fish of the day. Got us what we were wanting. Nice fall smallmouth. Whoa. Alright. Whoa. I am surprised that the water is actually deeper than I thought it would be. Everywhere else is dried up. There's actually still a little bit of depth right here. See if we can't get something. Oh, there's a bite right there. Oh, that was a bite. That was a bite. It's not very big. Wonder if it was a green sunfish. I was hoping it was something else. You guys might recognize this spot here if you've seen some of my older videos. I think I've only made one here, but yeah, there's a fish here that I don't have back near me, and I'm hoping I can get one. All right. Oh, got one. Whoa, what is that? What? Oh, it's a shiner. I thought that was something else for a second. Well, that's not what we were looking for. Alright. At least we beat the skunk, got that out of the way. I was thinking it almost looked like a little white bass or something. I never caught one of them over here. Oh, there's another one. This water is cold. This is actually almost about the same time as I fished this place last year. Granted, the weather has been cold the last few days, but I guess it's been cold for a while actually. Last year we had kind of a nice fall, I think, if I remember correctly. Oh. Well, this ain't a good sign so far. For us to have any luck catching anything else, it ain't looking too good. Since we're 2 for 2 on shiners at this point. I bet you that's what was biting over there, because they got that small mouth. They probably couldn't get that swim bait in there. Come on. Oh, nope. That's not what we wanted. All right. Please be what I wanted. No, it's another one. I knew it was, probably. That's why I wasn't getting what we wanted. Tons of little shiners or creek chubs, whatever you want to call them. I was hoping, I guess I'll just go ahead and tell you what I was hoping for. Was a rock bass, because I haven't caught very many rock bass, and this is the only place I've ever caught them at. Fishing a spot here I haven't really fished too much. I think I've tried it here and there. Never really had too much luck. Actually, I don't think I've ever caught anything here. Man, it is low. Very low. Got one. Oh. Dang, you had something there. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh man, we got a nice one, guys. We got a nice smallmouth. Oh boy, it is a nice one. Loosen up the drag a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. I knew I had a hit over there. Oh yes. Come on. Oh, look at that. That is a nice smallie there. Oh boy. Whew. I gave him a minute because I missed him the first time. Fought him for a little bit. Figured if I cast back over there, give him a chance to relax. And that's exactly what he did. He relaxed. Oh, he's thick. Man, I wish I could get a weight on him. Oh man. Look at that, guys. It's a nice chunk smallmouth there. Put him back in the water here for a second. Whew. Wish I had my tripod. Alright, guys. We got what we were looking for. And it's a nice one. I'd say it's probably just over 2 pounds. It's a long one. I put it up against my pole. It goes from the base of it to the T. So whenever I get a chance to get a tape measure, I'm gonna measure that, and it'll be an estimate about what it is, but yeah. All right, so this is about the only spot there's some depth. As you can see, it's super shallow. And then right here, along the bank here, there's some depth. Cast it out where my finger is at. There's a log coming off the water. Cast it about right to the left of that. You can see there's another piece of branch. You can see it's creating that ripple there. Cast it a little bit in front of that. Slowly bouncing it back in. And yeah, it hit, fought for a little bit, came off. Didn't get a good hook set. But then came back over this way where it's pretty shallow. Really just a waste of time. Made a few casts, nothing. Came back, switched the bait out for this little plastic thing here that I cut off basically half of it because I was using this in the creeks. Caught a lot of smallies in the creek with this. But yeah, first cast in that same spot. I think I bounced it a couple times, hit it, and it took off. Yeah. I think that's gonna be the end of this one, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up. It's starting to get late. Gotta run to the store and get a few things. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please hit that like button down below. Consider subscribing for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.